How to find my trips in your VRBO account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open VRBO's website. In this website, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, scroll down, click on My Trips. After you click on My Trips in here, which is below Inbox and above My Profile, it will lead you to this page. Here you'll find two options. You'll find all your trips. If you click on Booked, you'll find all the booked trips. And if you click on Save, you will find all the saved trips from your account. And this is how to find my trips in your VRBO account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.